Day in the life of running a 7-figure SMMA agency on Fiverr, and this is another update. Beginning of the summer, heading to office right now. We're in Belgrade, Serbia, and just going to show you how the day-to-day is. We have Alosha in the office. He's coming twice a week. If you remember from the previous videos as well, from the day in the lives. And actually we are organizing an event this week, and it's going to be a first event in Belgrade, Serbia. We have 83 people sign up, so that's a very big number, to be honest. Not sure how many people are going to show up, but still it's going to be first event in Belgrade, freelancing event. We'd love to do this more, and I'm going to show you as well behind the scenes how we're preparing for it, and how, of course, the Fiverr journey has been so far this year as well. Right now, walking to the office. Look at this beautiful path, riverside. Really nice. The Belgrade has a lot of great places, and especially where we are located, the office. It's kind of like isolated a little bit from the city, and yeah, it's just beautiful. Posting the story as well. Post.
Let's go.
For the event,
80 people.
83.
83.
I need to accept 82 more people. Okay. It will be 85.
Let's push to 100.
No, won't have the space. Actually, the event is going to be here, the space. Of course, not today, but very soon. Healthy start with a kasha, oatmeal porridge, matcha with coconut milk. We switched to matcha maybe 2-3 months ago with Mila. She has the hot one. Maybe Alosha switch to matcha as well.
Maybe I'll try it, but
no, coffee.
Flat white, normal for now.
He's been in Greece for a while, so he came back.
Traveling, remote working.
Do you want here maybe a kasha?
No, I already ordered, thank you.
What did you order?
As always, tortilla.
Yeah. They can have an omelette as well, maybe French omelette.
It's okay.
So did you order?
Once per week I always order prana, so it's kind of like a normal thing for me now.
Alright, so we have actually right now I need to do a few deliveries. I can show you here. So we have one that is actually 6 minutes due, but I'm gonna deliver it right now. Then we have a couple more, and yeah, so we can see as well progress this month has been a bit strange, but we got so many orders completed in the last week. Yeah. I think like half of the revenue that we usually get for the month came in the last week of the month. Yeah,
that's how it goes, especially when you do deliveries like in bulk, like 40 of them.
Yeah, so we have basically in the next 7 days we should have 12,000, which is a lot more than usual, and it's still been. It's gonna be 40k, Alosha, 40k month.
45, I was hoping.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, still great. Great. As you can see, the orders are consistent. Sometimes, yeah, we have like 4, sometimes 12, sometimes 7. So.
We also had some cancellations.
Yeah, and then also we got someone registered for event.
Let's
actually
go.
Yeah, so people are registering as well. It's actually really nice app, Luma.
Oh, I like it too.
You like it?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, Luma has been great because you can actually see the people who are joining. You can yeah, it's really nicely packaged, everything, and then they have to actually request to join before they can see this location. So that is also really nice. But yeah, let's get to the delivery. So I'm gonna do the delivery right now. Actually, we implemented also a new feature, order management. So this is something that is also available right now if you're subscribed to the freelance hustle platform. Imon just posted an update. So it just helps you manage your orders, manage your leads much easier, and
Also, it helps us to manage, so we can actually, like, for example, I can assign labels here, so I can give them, for example, this one client is a growth, I can give an IG growth, and you can also add any labels you want, and that way it makes it easier for you to manage them in the CRM. And then in this case, so since this client is ordered only like one time, so that means I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the follow-up update, and then afterwards Alyosha is gonna take over it, and he's gonna do the follow-up. So yeah, all right, so that's what we have. We can go ahead and click deliver. Actually, also another feature, I'm not using the quick responses anymore, and because right now, actually, if we use our own quick responses here from the platform, it makes it a lot easier, because you can actually search for a specific response, and you can just select. So in this case, I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm just going to attach the files I have, and just, yeah, and then just send it to the client. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and great, it was the week. Go ahead and click deliver, and yeah, we should be good to go with this order. Also, when you do like statistics, live VIP stats, just when you send, yeah, if you see something is like not good, you like ping Nina or post. Well, actually now you can do it with Ivana once you start. So like this we can.
Oh, I can even show you what I made for her. This I'll put it here. Maybe you saw, maybe you didn't. So every day, my idea is to check her. She will be, when she starts like work, to check every account that is doing like growth. Now, of course, content creation will not have this. It's called action checking. So I eliminated like inactive orders, and I eliminated only content or content plus posting. And this way she'll go through all of them here. And of course, like when you find like some issues, she will just, if it's okay, she'll just put like this check mark, and then when she finds like, oh, this one has an issue, she'll put it in that this one, and cost will be monitoring this. And then just every day, the idea is to check for the previous day, because she can't see it for today.
We can also teach her on all the PC stuff.
I was thinking like, because she's also open to improve, like if she's like stuck at the same like for years, she will not be probably happy, but she would like to, like you said, there's always going to be something maybe with freelance hustle, with some other stuff.
But we can teach her like on the PC, I think, because she can also fix some things on her own. Like for example, she'll log into the PC, she'll check, especially now we're changing to the Samsung phones, so things will be faster as well.
I was thinking that as well, like for me too, when the course goes on vacation, like I want to also know PC better, to know how to log in. You showed me once, you remember, but I want to also know, and she will also learn, and that way we can, you know, be there for each other, and you know, be better.
We're just grabbing a lunch break, a late lunch break in this place. It's actually a bee house. They have like bees as well that you can see, you can taste the honey and everything. And they opened like a place there as well for the healthy food. And you can grab like a bowl, or they have like burrito as well. Pretty convenient as well, because when you end up here, you feel like you are, I don't know, somewhere in the nature. So yeah, so just finishing the food. It's been pretty productive day. We're actually pushing some update for the freelance hustle platform, which is, yeah, I mean, whenever you have always big updates, you have to test many things, but I think it's going to be really worth it. Improving the efficiency, we're seeing a lot of users are using, almost like we get to 30 people are using the platform, so that's really a great sign. We haven't publicly launched it yet, but it's still like more invitation only, so that's still a very positive sign. Alosh. How was the day today, Alosh?
It was good. We had some issues, but our professor Ayman, the best programmer, stepped in to help. Now everything's fine. I can sleep nicely now.
Drink coffee.
We'll go buy coffee, then I can make it.
because I don't have anymore. I spent it all.
Main square, Serbia. We're gonna buy sladoled. Sladoled. Мороженое. Трожде. Gonna go buy some ice cream, finish the day, and then go home, sleep for 1 hour, and then come back to work again. Ash. Thank you.
One-star review.
See you.
See you in 2 days.
Have a great.
Tomorrow. Bye.
Right, Alosha is done. Now we're gonna get ice cream finally and go back home. Can I get a cone with vanilla and lemon? What was the essentially? Are you just gonna, or you can tell me after when you come to Belgrade?
I can give you a brief lowdown. I got like 5 minutes. I'm just about to get my ticket. I got the carry-on bag. Sorry.
Of course, we got over 90 people sign up already.
90.
90, yeah. I think we're pushing it to 100, and we'll
Okay.
see. Tomorrow I'll need to go to buy some drinks, like to Metro, to buy some, like San Pellegrino lemonades
Yeah.
and like sparkling water and stuff.
Loads of stuff, yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, are you ready to film?
I'm ready. I got my stuff here.
No.
Make sure it's charged.
Did you take the memory card?
I have your memory card in my wallet here.
Nice. Just had a quick call with Luke. He's actually coming to the event on 29 for Belgrade, so he's gonna be filming it. And he just said he wants to come to support because he was in actually already in Belgrade. We recorded the podcast together, and he went back to Thailand. Now he's in the UK for some business meetings. He's going to Rome to film another podcast, and then he's coming to Belgrade for a few days. So yeah, it's really cool from him. Hopefully we can record some more content. But yeah, we're entering the waterfront area now. It's completely different part of Belgrade. We went to the mall and heading back home. The day is running so fast as well. Actually, most of the day today we spent on fixing some things with the Freelance Hustle platform, since we're making some upgrades in the interface infrastructure. So most of the day went towards that, and now actually, since we're pushing the platform more, that's kind of like more of my focus at the moment as well, trying to build more features and just really get into this SaaS space, because I feel it can be really big and very, very valuable for the people. So of course you gotta put all yourself into that direction. So I'll keep you updated as well. But yeah, right now actually Alosha is doing a huge help with handling the communication, with handling the as well clients. Milo, of course, she's here always supporting. We have also content clients that we need to take care of. But so far we actually might hire another person next week as well, so I'll keep you updated on that. And yeah, it will be great to add a new team member after, I think the last hire was Alosha, Alosha and one of our designers, which was in October. So yeah, it's been more than 6 months, and we have a new hire. We added maybe 10k now in MRR since October, so I think it's definitely reasonable to hire another person, and we'll see what's gonna be happening. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. So finishing the evening with some just getting down the Fiverr messages, because we have like a gap where we like Alosha, he's finishing his shift and I try to jump in on the new messages. So we have a little bit of a gap where we don't cover the shift. And Nina, for example, she wakes up, of course she's in the Philippines, so she wakes up still covering the end of the US day, which is good. But actually today there was not many messages. Still, I would say we finished a day with 13 orders, which is of course really, really good. You can see it here. and you know the average has been around 10, 12, 11. So this has been a consistent average. We're gonna really try to scale it from July, because we're hiring another team member. So we will and me myself, I'll actually go into the operations a little bit more, so we can polish them and improve them. But so far for that, we will be mainly using of course the CRM, which the platform which we have been building. And honestly, it's been very helping a lot. We also launched show you here. We also launched the order management, so we are able to actually keep track of the orders here. So this is something that we will be improving and pushing it more. So you can have like requirement section, you can have order details, so you can see what the order is for, you can see the history of the messages, you can see also internal comments. So this is just was an example. So this is something that we will be improving going forward. And of course for the CRM as well, we have this CRM where we can keep track of the leads as well. And this has been a very, very big help as well. So guys, thanks for watching. Happy to be back with this like a shorter bit of vlog, but I'll keep you updated as well how the event is gonna go. This is something that we are also preparing. I'm working on the presentation, working on the structure as well, but we have over 90 people joined. And this is like I was mentioning before, we use the platform Luma. That has been a very, very big help. And right now just over 90 people sign up, so it's going to be exciting, and I'll keep you updated as well how this event is going to go. Take care, see you soon, and thank you so much for your support.